To use Cash App on desktop, follow these steps. Access Cash App website. Open your web browser and go to the official Cash App website. Log into your account. Click on the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Enter the email or phone number associated with your Cash App account, followed by your password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, verify the login using the code sent to your phone or email. Navigate through Dashboard. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Cash App dashboard where you can perform various tasks. Send money. Click on the Pay button to send money to someone using their hashtag email or phone number. Receive money. You can receive funds by sharing your unique hashtag or by using your QR code. Buy or sell Bitcoin. You can buy and sell Bitcoin by selecting the Bitcoin tab. Bank transfer. Link your bank account to send or withdraw money directly from your Cash App wallet. Perform transactions. Cash App on desktop allows you to manage your balance, view transaction history, and interact with Bitcoin services. All essential Cash App features are available, though some may require using the mobile app for complete functionality.